welcome to Deep Freeze, a Byzantine Winter Festival. And you may think that it's a little bit peculiar to mix this year's theme of the return of the Vikings with Deep Freeze along with Byzantine, which you don't associate winter with. But that silly juxtaposition is what makes this festival uniquely diverse and uniquely Edmonton, because it reflects all of the different cultures that celebrate winter in this wonderful winter city. So let's check out all the little things that are happening today.
Let's do it. Let's bring it on. Go! Look out there! They're cutting them off! They're cutting them off there! Oh, it's dragging them off! Oh, yes!
So those are the deep freezer races, and let's go in the real deep freeze, the big giant igloo, and see what's in there.
My name is Christina, and this is the Bandura, the national folk instrument of Ukraine.
So this is what it's like being inside the snow globe. It's kind of slippery in here. You can check out the Viking village. They're warming up for combat. Now it is definitely a deep freeze out here today, but you can always go inside and warm up with some of the activities inside as well. The Malunka platter with kubasa, pierogies, and borscht. So that was a great little musical excursion. I quite liked the religious elements here. There's no shame in them hiding anything. But right here in Nina Haggerty, there's a little art exhibit, so I'm going to check that out.
Even the pentatonics have sung a version, and it's one of my favorite arrangements. The song is 110 years old.
Right around the street corner, you'll find some exhibitors right outside. These are all art.
Isolation. I refuse to keep on drowning in my quiet desperation. Should I get it? Should I face it or be a victim of misplacement? Could have scriptures on the walls that got me chained inside the basement. My house and my shoes, you, but use a metric system.
There's also lots to do here in the Enchanted Forest. There's ice sculptures, an ice bar, there is skating that you can partake in with real ice. There's ice slides, there's some ice sculpture games that you can play as well, and to enjoy all of this in the music that's playing outside that is live inside. And just like any true Canadian winter, of course we gotta have hockey, and there are not 1, 2, 3, but 4 street hockey rinks out here. So you can even make yourself into a piece of art here at the Deep Freeze Festival, and there's so much more that I haven't seen yet. There's fireworks happening as well tonight, and there's a whole bunch of other activities and performances that are left. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon.
And that's my latest YEGventure. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share, comment, like, and subscribe for more. You can also follow me on Twitter or my second channel with daily vlogs.